Hey foodies, thanks for watching. I want to show you how to make a quick and easy Yorkshire pudding. And it starts with a muffin tray. I'm going to take our butter, and I've got about 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to put about a teaspoon in each. I'm just dropping it in. And I'm going to place this into the oven just to get the butter to melt. And while that's melting, I'm going to whisk my eggs and my milk. And that's 3 eggs and 1 cup of milk. That's been about a minute. And I'm going to stir in 1 cup of Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour blend. We're just going to stir it nice and gently. And this just takes about a minute or so. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. I've got everything stirred. I'm going to pull my pan out of the oven. You can see my butter has browned. That's exactly what I'm looking for. And I want to distribute everything in here evenly amongst each muffin tin. So I'm going to put 1 large spoon amount in each. And then whatever's left, I'll just evenly distribute. There we go. This is going to go into my preheated oven of 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. And then I'm going to reduce the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. And they're going to get puffy and golden brown. Now, you can't open the oven when you're checking it. So, because the heat in the oven is going to escape, and then it's going to cause all of these to collapse. So no peeking. Just make sure you check everything. If you have a window in your oven, that's great. You can look through the window and see how these are doing. See you in a moment. "25 minutes later, and these look absolutely beautiful." Now, these are best served hot with a bit of gravy or just as a side of your turkey dinner or your roast beef dinner. I'm going to grab a fork because I want to dig in and I want to see. Oh, that one looks good. Oh, nice and crispy. Let's move this aside. Don't want to burn my hand. There we go. Oh, look at the light and flakiness on the inside. Oh. I'm going to give it a try. Nice and hard. You can really hear how crispy it is on the outside. And the reason why it's so crispy on the outside is because we preheated the butter and melted the butter in the pan and then put it in the oven, and then we added the batter. Oh, it's so light and airy. I might end up eating all 6 of these. If you're looking for the recipe, you can visit GlutenFreeGuy.ca. You can also follow me on any of these social media websites. And coming up next is this. See you soon.